Do you want to post trial reels on Instagram? You can upload a trial reel video on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before get starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out. To post a trial reel on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, you are on your Instagram profile page. At the top of the profile page, tap on the plus icon. A pop-up menu appears. From the pop-up, find and tap on Reel. A new screen appears with the photos and videos from your device gallery. Either record a new video or select one from your gallery. Now, you are on the editing screen. Edit the video by adding music, text, stickers, or effects as desired. Once satisfied with the editing, tap on Next. On the new screen, add your video description. Below the Reel description section, you will see a trial option. Enable the toggle switch next to trial. Once enabled, tap the Share to Reels button to post your reel as a trial. Now, your reel is only shared with non-followers initially and does not appear on your profile until you choose to share it with everyone.